Hey guys, and welcome back to Star Stable Online. You might have seen on my channel I also post videos of Star Stable horses, and Star Stable horses is basically Star Stable Online but for your iPad and phone. And now I have a surprise for you guys. Meet Guardian Rainbow, Royal Beauty, and Midnight Melody. They basically what you do in Star Stable horses is you get a foal, and then you train and level up that horse to level 10, and then you use star coins to bring it to Star Stable Online as a level 10 horse. And the star coins depend on which horse it is. This is a Mustang. This is the Lusitano. This Dapple Lusitano only exists in the game. And this is a Morgan. And yeah, so I wanted to start with Royal Beauty and get some tack for her. And yeah, sorry Spirit. And I also am going to probably get a new pet today. So yeah, let's get right into this. The hard thing about Royal Beauty is that she's black, brown, and gray. I mean, black, brown, black, and gray. Okay, so let's see if Hogan has anything for us. Okay, no. It needs to be something like nobody else has, because that would suit her so well, but we need to be player level 9, so we might come back for that. And I want her to be a dressage horse, so he doesn't have anything for us. What about the Star Rider store? No, those are only for clothes. So we are going to go to Fort Pinta now and check there. Okay, this is like such a glitch. Okay, and it's the newest breed on Star Stable right now, and they added effects to the mane. So let me just show you guys how she looks. If I options, distance from camera. So, this is her walking. This is her trotting. This is her canter. And then this is her rear. And now if we go into a slow gallop, the mane starts flying. And then this is her faster gallop, and her complete halt looks like that. And now the jump. Oh, if you guys didn't really see, this is her complete halt, so she doesn't land completely. And this is now her jump. So with the mane and all, which I think is gorgeous. So yeah, let's go Royal Beauty. And I just picked that name on randomizer, and I thought it was a super cute name, and I want her to be like a princess, like my little princess, because she might, okay, I am so sorry, Royal Beauty, because she's really pretty. In my opinion, you guys might not like her so much, but I think she's original, and she's my first Lusitano, and as I might have told you guys, I absolutely love the Lusitanos. They're my favorite ever. Yeah, I just do this. Oh, and this is why I wanted her to do dressage, because firstly, this looks like super dressage-like, not jumping-like, and because of this. So basically, you just need to have the horses standing. You can also do that in like a curve and all, and then you click spacebar. But only works for the Lusitanos and the Lippies. I think you guys should search about that, but I know it works on the Lusitanos, like obviously, and I believe it works on the Lippies, but you guys might want to check that before you go buying stuff because you want one. So I wanted to pick one color, so like, I don't know, red Oh, that actually doesn't look that bad. Not yet. Let's pick a color of bows for her. And no, we need a saddle. That's the first thing we need. I want like a cute saddle, like a flashy saddle. It actually doesn't even look that bad. Okay, I am also going to go to Silverglade Village in just a second to go look. Well, just look over there, and then we might go to Fir Grove. And now we are going to be buying a pet for her. So yeah. And we will be super special, and we will be buying one of the new wolves, I guess you could call them. Those are dogs. What? I guess we won't be buying them. Oh, they're tough terriers. That makes sense. Okay, well, I guess next week we'll have enough money. So I guess today we will only be buying tack. So let's go over to Silverglade. And when she goes backwards, it's super cute because she leans with the ears kind of like, and she doesn't tilt her head, which I think is really cute. Like, I didn't really like the head tilting, but Silverglade. What do you want to do? Do you want to like fly over? Do you want to drive it? Like, you gotta tell me this. Like, how do you want me to know? Yeah, I am trying to make a riding club because I'm awesome. Don't worry, guys. I'm not gonna start sounding like James. Let's go check Fir Grove. I think they might have a bit more than Silverglade. Okay, so let's go get some tack for you, shall we, Royal Beauty? And I love on the mane at the side, like around her ear. Here we have more room. And super cute. Okay. So. Oh, here. And there's nothing for us to buy. That is so cute. I actually doubt. Oh! You have to be friendly with Fir Grove? That's all? Oh, well then, I can't. Why can I not do the Fir Grove notice board? That's weird. Okay, this is Royal Beauty. I think we got a problem. There we go. Okay. If we don't find anything here, I think we. Oh wait, there might be a few saddles here. Oh, that's kind of cute for her. What do you think? Oh, that's really pretty. No. I actually kind of want to go with this white. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this white because white I can also put on my Morgan on Midnight Melody. And yeah, I can put her on Midnight Melody because she's brown and white. It kind of suits the brown. But I kind of wanted to keep this bridle for like a Lusitano or something. But I guess it is pretty. Okay, I'm gonna get it. You know, it looks cute on her though. Oh, that looks super cute. Okay. Here's your saddle, honey. That looks really cute. Now we just need a saddle blanket. Where can we find a saddle blanket for you? This must be kind of uncomfortable for you, huh? Let's go to Silverglade Village then and see if they have anything for us. Or, yeah, let's go to Silverglade Equestrian Center. They might have something for us. And then we'll go to Fort Pinta and buy a saddlebag, and then we will be able to buy, wrong way, sorry, Royal Beauty. Then we should be able to buy the, oh, that's also cute. Then we should be able to buy the, dog, terrier, the tough terrier. I thought it was this, oh. Hey! I think white suits are pretty well. Let's see if we find anything, shall we? I'm just trying to, like, expand my club a bit. Let's go, Royal Beauty. Let's go. Wait. Sorry about this, guys. I'm just kind of looking at everything. Is this the only shop here? Is this the only horse shop here? Okay. No, I have to be player level 9, 10. No. 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 Sorry. Okay, I guess we are going back to Moorland. We might not be able to buy the saddlebag today, but we will, or I hope I will find a saddle blanket for her. No. Purple. No. That'd be like perfect right now. Oh wait, but there's a shop here. Next to Loretta, right? Yeah. Wait, but this is only... Oh wait, this is for horses. What do you want me to do, girl? Whoa, is that like a rock or something? No? Okay, well, we're going to leave it at that for the day, and then next time, I will be showing you guys, we will be continuing with the quest with Talia. So, I'll see you guys there. Bye!